In this video, I am going to give you a full review of the OXO Good Grips salad spinner. But first, I would like to set your expectations for this particular piece of equipment with a quick game of 2 truths and a lie, which if you're unfamiliar, I'm basically going to give you 3 statements and you need to pick which 2 of them are true and which one of them is a lie. Easy enough? Let's go. Statement number 1. I have used the salad spinner in each of the 3 Michelin star restaurants that I've worked in my culinary career. Statement number 2. When I was developing a salad-themed cooking class/workshop, I impulse bought 5 of these salad spinners the day that I started developing the course. And statement number 3. I think that this salad spinner is the best option out there for 99% of people. Okay, do you have a guess? And the correct answer is statement number 2. I impulse bought 6 of these particular salad spinners. And on that note, let's talk about what makes this such a great salad spinner. Now let's start off by talking about performance. So how well does this thing actually do its job? Now salad spinners are not the most complicated pieces of equipment inside of your kitchen. You basically want to put your wet salad greens inside of it. You want this thing to spin effectively, dry them quickly, and be easy to use, easy to wash, easy to store. Simple enough. This machine excels on all fronts. So let's start with the spinning. Now, this salad spinner uses a push mechanism. Some will use like one of those spirally things. Those suck. Those require you to keep moving. It's even more drag, just not a good time. This Okay, that bit kind of went on for a while, but I just want to demonstrate how effortless it is to use this machine. Really, you just pulse it a couple times, and it does a really good job of drying off those salad leaves all by itself. And when you're done, it has this really convenient break button. You lift the lid, you pour out your salad, and it's just perfect. If we are looking closely at the, let's call them features on top, you have the push mechanism, which we've already discussed, the brake, which just makes it really easy to stop what you're doing because it's so hands-off, and also a nice little addition, if you push this down, you can lock this in place. So this is just much easier, much flatter to like store and put away. Also, if we're looking at the separate components, the top, which is usually the most finicky part to wash of this, like you're not going to get it super dirty, but it just comes off super easily. It's really easy to wash. I don't usually dishwash it, I'll just like rinse it off and that's kind of it. Yeah, cleanup is kind of a breeze in this thing. And so is putting it back together. Secondary parts, obviously you have your perforated like salad bowl. Most units will have this. And lastly, you have this nice clear bowl that it comes inside. As far as additional forms of functionality, this thing is excellent at washing salad greens, at drying salad greens, at washing most pieces of produce. The perforated basket makes it really easy to wash stuff inside and then just like lift it out and away from the dirt. And the bowl is quite useful for like other applications. But my favorite use for this actually, and it's something you can do with other salad spinners to be fair, but if you want to bring the salad leaves back to life, you can just put some ice in the bottom of this, put your greens inside the bin on top, fill it with water and just let it soak for like 10 minutes and they will completely revitalize. That is why I think even if you don't own any salad spinners, just get a cheap one. They're super useful just to be able to like freshen up your greens, wash your greens, and then pull them out of that dirty water, remove them from the ice. Like it's just so convenient, just so straightforward. What about its durability? How long lasting is this? Now this is the plastic version, it comes in a glass version, and it also more recently comes in a metal version. I'll admit I have not used the metal version, but this plastic version has lasted me, I've owned this for about 5 years, but also in restaurants I've used these a ton and they would just never break down. Back when I used to work at Per Se, I used to strain so many herbs inside of this thing and dry so many herbs inside of this thing on a daily basis. I have soaked this thing in beetroot juice for like a particular project and it didn't really stain at all. So like even the plastic version is super stain resistant, and this lasted a really long time. I have not broken it so far, I have never seen it break inside of kitchens, but it is plastic at the end of the day. So that is a possibility. I don't think you need the metal one, it's a little bit more expensive, but if you want something that's really hard wearing, please go for that. The plastic version is the cheapest, it comes in 2 sizes, so this is kind of like the slightly bigger version. It also comes in a smaller version, and it really just comes down to how big a batch of like salad are you preparing. This is really good for like 4 to 8 people, like really comfortably, and obviously the more water that you can get inside of this, the easier it is to wash off salad greens in general, so I like the big size, and because of that little form factor, it's just really easy to store. And really easy to stop those annoying noises. So, in conclusion, I think that the OXO Good Grip salad spinner is the best salad spinner on the market. It's basically like usually between the $30 and $40 mark, depending on what size you want. If you'd like to buy it, there's an affiliate link in the description, which won't cost you more, but will help support the channel. I get like a little 2 to 3% kickback, which is lovely. But generally, I would just recommend buying a half decent salad spinner. Find one with like decent reviews. It doesn't necessarily need to be this one. You can probably find one for like half the price easily. But this is like nice and grippy. It works super, super well. It's super reliable, super hard wearing. Just cannot say enough amazing, amazing, amazing things about it. But even if you don't have this one, just get one in your life. It will make your life so much better if you do like having salads, if you do buy a lot of produce and like to wash it off or prepare it. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more equipment reviews, you can click this link right here. And if you would like to subscribe or maybe like the video, that would be great too. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I think I said that.